Alright, this video is going to show you how to install the thread take-up lever on the Singer Model 12. It's got three parts to it. You've got the lever itself, a spring, which has a loop on this end, and then your main screw. So just to show internally how the part is going to be, this little hook fits under there, and your screw is going to go through the body like this. So when your spring is pulled into place, it pulls the lever upward. So for installing it, first you want to have your needle bar in the down position, because you want to be able to just slide your arm. There's a slot in the body here, and then there's three holes for the other tab on the spring. But you want to be able to slide this in, and then you can see how it starts to pop out through the front. So our spring goes in. You want to load this little loop in first, and you're going to want it in the down position. So this part is going to be up at 12 o'clock. So it kind of inserts a little bit. It's a little tricky going in because of that loop on the end. But you put it in, and like I said, the main part of the spring goes up, because you want to be able to catch the other part of the spring under this. So you just stick it through, slide it through, make sure you're over top the spring, and it starts to come through the front. And then your screw goes in. Trying to do it without getting my hands in the way. So then this just screws in. And this spring now loads into one of the three notches, depending on how much tension you want on it. And just to show you the test, when you're rotating, the lever goes up, and just like that. So you want to make sure you oil it too once it's in place. And then you just tighten this down. Don't crank it down. Just get it snug, because it's only a pivot point. And there you go. I hope that helps you.